Hi, this is Tom. Welcome to my channel. I've been doing a series of using ChatGPT to make Midjourney prompts. And the last few videos I've done have been on the concept of using a catalog as a reference point for ChatGPT to make Midjourney prompts. And here are some prompts that I did on the daily theme of uh, the most recent daily theme called Asterism, which has something to do with stars, pattern of stars. So I'll show a few of the uh, prompts. So these prompts here are based on styles. They have 5 styles, modern Victorian, and you can see the others here. The main one here is the paper cutouts. And here's another one based on Charles Adams and some other influences. This is the same prompt as the one we just looked at, 2 different versions, which I thought was kind of interesting. And then this is another set of 5 styles. Here's another one. I think I have about 10. Well, I'm not sure I did all 10 of them, but and then yeah, this is the last one. So I just did a few of these. So this was kind of an interesting one where it mixed in Victorian taxidermy with some other styles. So where these came from was this, it's called an image jam. This is one of the main things I wanted to show in the video, was if you go to the Discord server, you go to Midjourney, and you want to make sure that you have this show all channels. You want to make sure you have that checked. And if you go down to community forums, you want to make sure you have this button. I think you want it down, but just try it both ways, because one way it might collapse some of these. You might not see everything. So you want to make sure it expands to everything. Then you go to image jams, and from image jams, you can look around and you can find only styles game. And if you select it over from the right, then it'll add it to the ones that you have on the left. And then the only styles game, the way that it works is it has a series of 5 prompts, or excuse me, of 5 styles. And then it's changing to where you start with 5, and the one that's rotates. So the one that's on the end moves off, and then the person adds a new one. And then that are like here. Here, this shows an example. It says halftone print, John Waters, hand strokes, crepuscular rays, Heather Neve. And then if I wanted to add a style, I would add it onto the end. Anyone can play. And then it'll like push, so halftone print will go off, and then John Waters will be the first one, and you'll have 5 like that. So I think this is one of the coolest image jams. It's a great place to get ideas for different looks for Midjourney. And I'm just scrolling through to see what some of the images looks like. So these just have 5 that are listed, and there's no theme other than what's implicit with using the styles themselves. So Midjourney, based on, I would guess, since Midjourney prioritizes from front to back, there's Harley Earl. Maybe this is typical of the sorts of, I don't know this person. Here we got DeLorean, so that's likely the car, but when it looks like it did put in the deep sea photography here. Yeah, 5 is a pretty good number. You don't want to get too many things because the Midjourney bot will not include everything in there. But I don't know what the influences of these two people are, Harley Earl and Giorgetto. Um, but this is the way that these image gem works is you have these 5 different styles. And I thought it would be interesting to build a catalog for this. So I used the script that I have that does catalogs and just added 10 sections. And basically each section was one of the styles that I chose and I put on there. And what I told it to do was to put in exactly what I gave it. So I would have given it this. And that would be the first one. And then it adds 2 more. And on the 2 more, it will add something else, like a subject. And then for the daily theme, it will replace the added item uh, with whatever the daily theme is. So it's keeping the stylistic elements as a part of the prompt and then applying it to some theme. And then the catalog looks like this here. So I have 3 prompts in each section, 10 sections, and it gave it a name for the sections and for the prompts, and I gave it the name for the catalog. And then I usually just let it choose what it's doing. I instruct it to look through the catalog and based on what the theme is, try to make choices that would work well with that theme. But you can look through and you can apply these yourself, use them as a basis for your own prompts, or guide ChatGPT to use certain ones that you liked. This is called the Only Styles Game Catalog, and I'll go ahead and add that to my blog. Whoops, okay, good. I was afraid I might have been too fast here, but I don't think so. So that's Only Styles Game. So let's add that. And you can find that. I'll include a link in the description of the video. So here's a script that you can use. You can just copy and paste this into ChatGPT, and it should tell you how it works. When you load the script, it should offer to ask you. It should, if you wanted to explain how it works, you could just say yes. Tell me how it works, and it'll guide you through it. But you can just give it a catalog. Just copy and paste the script, run the script, copy and paste the catalog, and give it the catalog, and then it'll be ready to go. You can just ask it to crank out prompts for you based on the catalog, just sort of how I was describing it there. Well, I hope you find this useful, and thanks for watching my video.